Hello and welcome. Let's take a quick look at a 1 minute tip. With this tip, what we're going to do is we're going to look at our favorites or any of our custom shapes. As you can see here, you've got the edit button on the right hand side. I'm simply going to click on that edit button and that is going to expand our custom shapes. Once that is open, I can now drag and drop and change the order and the preference of my favorites. So if I'd like to put my lectern at the top left so it's always the first item in my custom shapes, I can simply do that. So any of these can be rearranged. You can also rename your shapes, as you can see there, and you can also use the X button here to delete any existing shapes that you don't want. Once that's done, click on the save button and then click yes. Following this, you will receive a confirmation icon, as you can see here, that the stencil has been successfully saved. Now, if I go back into my shapes, I will be able to see the new custom shapes in the preferred order that I'd like to see in the stencil. Thank you.